Breaking news out of West Lafayette. A car crashes into a restaurant near Purdue's campus. It all happened at the Subway on Northwestern Avenue near State Street in West Lafayette around 9:30. These pictures were sent to us by Andrew Reed. Police say a man was trying to parallel park along Northwestern when his foot slipped from the brake onto the gas pedal. That's when the car scraped another car before crashing into the Subway entrance. Police believe the car caused $10,000 to $15,000 in damage to the building, but thankfully no people were injured. A Subway employee says the restaurant is already taking up walk-up customers, but the lobby is closed. Tomorrow, city officials are expected to inspect the building to make sure it's safe. Police have not released the driver's name.